Alright, so I'm not sure how much of the last game we're gonna see because mistakes may have been made during the game, and now I was smart about it. I have a warranty on the controller, but after that uh, deep pass on fourth down that just got wide open, I might have slammed my controller and broken it. How much is the quick sell with this one? I literally have no idea. So let's see if we want to take the quick sell or the pack. So I may have taken a short break and went to GameStop and redeemed for a new controller, um, which I now have. I also got a new charging cord because my old one was just awful. But the main thing is I didn't get the warranty for this one, so I have to be careful because I know yeah. Was it a red zone? 25k? That's it? I'll take the pack. See if we can pull something crazy out of it. Red zone, yeah. Touchdown is the 75 or 85k one. Let's take the pack here, see if I can pull something kind of crazy, because 25k was 25k to a rich fella. That's what I always say. Um, so let's see if we can pull something here. Oh, that probably goes for a good amount. That's not a bad pull. I'm not sure if it goes for 25k, but that's a good pull. Can't be mad about it. Um, and I think I'm gonna hop into a new game. That might not be the best idea, but I want to use Edgerrin. So I guess we'll hop into a game. I just gotta be really smart about not throwing my controller. Oh, he's 50k. Let's go. That was a good pull. Cool. We'll just go like 45 or something. 45. Cool. And we'll see if his Vernon card is cheap or is more expensive because it was like 18k when I looked earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that to go up in price because it should go up to like 25. Okay, and I have 30 trophies, so I'm gonna open one of these Wheel of Quicksell packs. Give me 2k. Give me up to 430. Oh, 1k. That's tough. Okay. Um, so I have two broken controllers that I didn't have warranties for, so I have them sitting here. Um, and if something bad happens and I need to freak out, I'm gonna throw one of those and not this new one because neither of those work. Actually, this one kind of works. Let me put that one down there. I pulled this one, which I've already destroyed. I don't know how, but I broke it so much that one of the gears came out of it, or like I don't know exactly how to explain it, but I broke it pretty badly. The right stick is broken. Can't. Right stick is broken. The left side, there's a I guess it's like a little gear piece or like a little. I don't know. If you feel in your left side of the controller, it's like a gate or a weighted piece in there. That piece came out somehow because I hit it so hard. The right stick is broken. The trigger is broken. The right trigger is broken. The A button is broken. Yeah, it's a pretty messed up controller. So I have that here. I also have all of my valuables moved out of the way because I don't want to smash one of those. All right. Bush, Marino, Beckham. He's pretty good. Favre, Calico, and James. And I'm at home, which I'm not sure. makes any difference. But I like playing at home. I start with ball. Let's go. I enjoy starting with ball. Gets me into a rhythm. If I start with defense, I can easily be put out of that rhythm. So getting the ball first and just getting something going, I like to do. House that, Elijah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's get this going. Alright, what other formations do I run? I run trips Y. I run trips tight end. I run bunch. I don't really want. Okay, cool. We'll start out bunch. Okay. Just depends on what he's running. We'll dictate where I want my players to run their routes.
Now the Dolphins are going to halt the action here. It's a timeout. They'll have 2 remaining as we step aside here in this first quarter.
Switch over here now, because he came on a different defense the first time and called a timeout. We'll see if I can catch him over here. 3 through 5.
They'll run on first down. It's James. He'll have a first.
Edgerrin feels really nice. He feels really nice. That's like my first legitimate run. The last game, and I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, cool. I got him out of it immediately. I'm not sure how much of the last game is that it's going to be shown, but I didn't get a ton of opportunities to run the ball with him. Who's that? Byron Jones? Okay. Just a base cover 2. I'm going to come out in a bunch. Yeah, I really like starting on offense, just getting myself into a rhythm that I can switch over to defense to the best of my ability, at least. Oh, he got some heaters. He got some nice block sheds there. Okay, we'll run these shorter routes. Should get open. That's a deeper route play that'll take time to develop.
Should give them something to build on and maybe turn the tide.
After the incomplete pass,
I'm kind of mad tired right now.
2nd and 10.
We'll just run a streak. Here. It's open. Hit it quick. Yup. 88 truck. Something like that. That's why I like James. Like, he's super fast, but he can also run you over.
It's a first down on a gain of 10.
From this trips is a longer developing play. Oh, I need to get Claypool in on this play.
But you absolutely know they want to get this man involved as well, and that's what they just did on that play.
Yeah, I need to get Claypool in this formation.
The gain there, 2nd down.
One thing you're hoping for when you run drag routes, you're able to hit a receiver in stride, and he can pick up a lot of yardage after the catch. But in this situation, the defense was effective.
Came on the wrong defense. Let me hurry up before he can make his adjustments.
That first down completion only netted him 3. 2nd and 7.
Only two. I mean, that's fine. Gives us a short 3rd down and a new field goal range. So I feel like we're in a good position.
We saw a great example of perseverance right there on that play.
Got to be careful. They might want to throw one over his head as this game progresses.
There we go. Nice play. I knew if he didn't come off of that, I had the middle wide open, so I just waited on it. Have I mentioned how much I like starting on offense?
Now's a beautiful ball right there as he waited for his tight end to come uncovered in the end zone, so give him points for patience as well. Delivered it right where it needed to be for 6 points.
Okay.
Extra point by Anderson, up and good. And it's now a 7-0 game. Following the touchdown, here's Anderson to kick it away.
Reggie Bush with freight train. It's actually probably not a bad ability.
Take over 1st and 10 at their own 25-yard line.
Why does that put him here? Okay, Kazee there, and then I want Mays here, Ward here. And then I just watch this left seam.
A first carry now for Reggie Bush. And this will be a
Yo, let's
gain
not
of
break my
5 as he
life.
gets it to the 30.
Okay.
Well, it's time for them to be good teammates right here. And what I mean by that is possess the ball for a little while. Get at least 2 first downs. Give their defense a
Need
chance to
Kevin
settle
King
down a
up
little bit
here.
after they give up a touchdown.
Ball on the 30. They'll come up with a 2nd and 5.
These sticks are a little too sticky. I need to wear them down a little bit.
Marino here from the gun. And he
I just
fires
got
it
lucky with a
intercepted.
great animation there.
Picked off by the
I'm not sure if it
40-yard
was lucky or if
receiving
Maze is just that dude,
And they will
but
set up shop
that was
in enemy territory at the
I would be a little
42-yard
upset if I
line.
were him on that, because that was nah, that was a good play. That was a good play. And I know my player's abilities, so I know he's going to make that play.
On first down, Favre. And a quick throw here that's
First down.
complete. And he gets this inside the
Alright, let's come out
35-yard
in
line.
bunch again.
10 yards there to start the drive, and just enough by about the length of the football for a first down. From the 32 now, here's 1st and 10.
Shoot. That was bad on my part. I had a route open. I just freaked out.
Give the sack to Jerome Baker. And they brought the pressure there just right up
Completely
the
my fault.
Yeah, they certainly did. And, you know, when you've got so many different responsibilities as an offensive line, you got to deal with the nose tackle, the 2 defensive tackles or ends, and then sometimes you just can't account
That's
for
near field goal range.
Give him 6 on the run. It'll be 3rd down now with still a long way to go to get to the first down marker.
I'm going to do it again. I mean, why not?
On the ground, it's James.
Field goal range.
And he's going to get it down to the 33-yard line here.
I'm okay with that.
After 7-0 on EA Sports.
Dolphins nothing. Morton Anderson on for the field goal. A 50-yard attempt.
And this will split the uprights. It's right down the middle. And the lead moves to 10-zip.
Okay.
That automatic Morton Anderson does it again. Knocks another one through the post. I have to be careful because it's almost boring. You know, just how accurate he is. He knocks another one through.
All-time NFL leading scorer. He's known as the Great Dane because he's from
Dude, the
Copenhagen.
Badgers play in 6 days, bro. I'm so hyped.
Franchises in scoring, does he not?
Well, one time he did. New Orleans Saints.
Got an empty
13
trio.
seasons there,
I should
still
come out
the
in
all-time
nickel,
leading
but
scorer with them. And the Atlanta Falcons, he held that record, but Matt Bryant has since
we'll man him up
passed
on
it.
that, and then I'll just get the entire middle of the field. Yeah, if he's coming out in this empty,
Trying to shake off the interception. He'll look to throw.
I need to come out in nickel.
Complete to Metcalf.
To DK Metcalf.
Nothing fancy on first down, but a very consistent type of a play. Hit that slant. A lot of people call it an
Maze
extension of
there,
the running
and
game.
then 54
And it can
will
be
get
if that
to
pass
chin.
is completed.
Cool.
Because you hit a guy on the run like that, he often can go for big yardage.
Sets him up nicely for 2nd down, staying ahead of schedule. Facing a 2nd and 2.
Yo,
after
camera?
his last catch, good for
I can't
8
fix my camera.
yards.
I can't fix my camera. Stuck here for a play.
It's Marino.
Let's go. Is that Glover? Let's go, Glover.
He goes down. And we say it all the time, have to be able to get rid of the ball sooner than that.
You have to
Linebackers, spread,
They're going to
D-line,
protect
shift.
you as best they can. And if you're getting 3 to 5 seconds to throw the ball, they're doing a really nice job. But when you hold it and give up a sack, you're really almost discrediting their work.
They'll let it go deep for Beckham.
Cool.
He rifles
I'm not a fan of how defensive backs play the ball so much better than receivers. In all cases, even when it works for me, like, it's just like, come on. Now that was a bad pass, but I shouldn't be
And I just wonder,
mossing him like
because
that.
I don't think it's going to rattle
Triple
him
side flex.
necessarily. But I also wonder if it's going to nerve him a little bit. Does it lead to another
Oh wait,
one?
it was
Or does he find a way to
triple-sided.
pull it together and become sharp again?
He almost dropped it. Saw the little bobble. Do I have a run out of here? I do. Probably not a great run, but.
On first down.
Oh, that's my bad.
And he got blown up.
That was bad stick on my part.
Play back at the 44.
Do I have a better run?
He'll
I have
lose
inside
a
zone.
yard there, and it's 2nd and 11.
Oh, that counter.
This defense has really flown around in the first half. They've gotten to the ball carrier before they can really
That's my
get
post,
started.
maybe?
Offense
I don't know.
got to
I'm
come
just
up with
messing around in this
something
formation.
else
I have
in order to
no
try to get
idea
this running game going.
what's gonna work.
After the loss to start
Okay, we'll
out,
try the
here's
counter.
2nd and 11. the counter. It's James.
We didn't get any blocks on the backside.
The second down play, not much better.
What do I need?
Just a gain of
5
1
yards
there.
ish
Whenever we
for
talk
field
about
goal
the big,
range.
strong safeties, one word constantly comes
This
up,
place should
and
get
that's
open.
instincts. Being able to diagnose run or pass and make the appropriate moves.
He crashed down hard there. He was ready
Cool.
for that
Another
run.
field goal.
And he stopped up short of the first.
Oh, hey, no, I don't want to do that.
At about the 36. Coming up at halftime in a little
Sure, we'll go
less
for
than
it.
2 minutes, we'll send you to Orlando.
It's probably a really bad play, but why not?
Standing by. He'll have highlights and
Ooh, I got lucky.
on this first half.
He inside stuffed my life away.
And that's enough for the first. A solid pickup of 5 and a very solid fourth down conversion. And defensively,
Automatic
pure
is ahead.
frustration. The fourth down run successful. Now they look to pay it off on first down.
Still just trying to get used to the feeling of this new
Here's
controller
Ford
too.
to throw.
That was bad. I should have possession caught that.
Incomplete. Too tough to hold on to that one. It's second down.
He did a fine job there of not hitting him before the ball arrived, and I've got to tell you, you can often mistime that play because of the angles of
I'm actually with the
approach.
runner.
When
I'm
you're
getting
going to
outside.
get him,
Yep,
sometimes you
nice run.
panic as well and think, "I've got to
He
be
needs to get out of that 3-down defense.
Instead, in this case, timed it perfectly and knocked it free.
A gain of 13. It's a first down.
Is Ungalele playing? He's not. They must be trying to redshirt him.
There's James.
I'm paying attention to the Clemson game. They're up like 80, literally. And they have like the #1 quarterback in the class last year. He's not playing.
Hey, when you get good yardage like that on
But
first down,
it looks like
really
they're
makes a
trying to
whole lot of
redshirt
good
him.
for your entire offense, but I love the way he's finishing those runs. At the end of things, he's making sure he gets just a little bit extra.
I'm with this
Ball at the 14.
because Lawrence is going to go pro, so then he'll be their starter next year, I guess, as a true freshman. That's open. Wow, he played that really well.
A missed opportunity for an interception would have killed off a drive. He had a chance there to finish things off. Didn't get it done.
I didn't think he'd play that, but he did.
These guys do not play offense.
They come up now 3rd and 5 following the incomplete pass. And they go play action with Farr. And all the way down inside the 5 to the 4. The Packers going to use one of their timeouts.
I don't really know here with the red zone. Maybe I'll come out and try to run with James, like from a down set. It's a touchdown.
Now Farr. And he's got it. It's caught for a Packers touchdown. Edger and James.
I wish I was in game chat. I wish I could hear what this guy's saying, bro.
Packers add 6 to their lead.
That score that they just gave up there, that's a tough one for their defense to swallow because
Lawrence really well. Who's this? Hunter Helms. I don't know who that is. And I know I've seen his name before. I don't know who that is. Tayson Somachin? Something like that. Wow. Literally everybody on the field has carried the ball for him. Ah, he's about to return that. He should have returned that. That was a really bad defense by me. Alright, coverage, I guess. Taysom Hill QB.
The Dolphins at the line ready for their next drive. You've got less than 30 seconds left here in the half. You're well on your own side of the field.
Am I lagging?
What are we doing
I am.
here,
I gotta
Coach
shut down my laptop. I'm trying to watch the South Carolina game.
And it's something that's safe. It's something that's been done many times before. A lot of people.
Okay, I'll follow it on here. If it... where's that? Oh, there's still 6.5 minutes left. So I'll be good to... Buttons are a little sticky.
They don't want to repeat a first down. They'll keep it on the ground. And a pretty good run.
Automatic is a habit.
Probably
You
would
should
like
know
that in
how
the first quarter instead of right now as the clock continues to run.
40-yard line. It's a gain of 15, but it's 3rd down.
It looks like the Packers have added an extra DB on 3rd down.
Just give a cushion.
From the shotgun, Marino.
Ooh!
The man is Metcalf. He's got it. And he'll be stopped right at midfield.
I shouldn't have picked that, but I didn't animate how I thought I would.
That's it for the first half. 2 more quarters to go. We'll have plenty more to see after the break. All right, Coach, thank you, and we welcome everyone back for quarter number 3. The Dolphins down on the scoreboard, but they'll have it first as we get going in this
Crack my
third
back.
quarter. This will make it into the end zone.
You gotta hit him, Patrick. 89 speed for what, bro?
5 yards as he's tackled at the 20.
Empty.
The Dolphins at the line ready for their next drive. And that first half, one to forget really on both sides of the ball. They got to find some way to string something together here, don't they?
Yeah, they're down big right now.
Ooh, that was about to be a pick.
Cannot get away. He goes down.
Defense is kind of nutty right now. Just locking everything.
Trying to go through his progressions, find someone to get rid of the football. Before he knew it, he was on his back.
So that just brings us right back to what you said in the beginning. A great job defensively. Nowhere to go with the football. That led to the sack.
Nothing's open there.
Now Marino here throwing another interception. Kevin King with a pick.
I think he quits here.
Get him, but not until he's all the way down inside the 15-yard line.
He's not gonna quit.
First half did not go
I mean,
their
respect
way,
for
and that's
staying,
not
but
what matters at all. An
it's game
interception
over.
on the opening drive of the third quarter.
He's 3 down. This guy's not a smart player.
But you know who's really upset on their team? The defense. Already trailing.
Nice run. Dude, he's like 93 change of direction or something wild like that. It was better than Reggie Bush's. And I could sell Bush and his power up for like 100K less than Edgerrin. So I was like, dude, he can get the same abilities. I think his power up is going to be better. I would assume he's going to get... I don't want to say that though, because I'm not sure what they plan on doing in the future. But I like the prospect of Edgerrin going forward over Reggie. Edgerrin's also like a good power back. He had 88 truck compared to Bush's like 60, and he can still catch the ball and get backfield master. So I thought it was a very ergonomically sound pickup for the price and for for what he was going to be doing. I thought it was pretty good. Double offset. Oh no, I don't want a big nickel.
The Dolphins at the line ready for their next drive. They trail here by
Just walks
24
like a left side
points.
run.
Gotta get going soon, you'd have to think, as they come up 1st and 10.
It's a good throw.
Here's a throw.
That was a smart throw. That was the first smart throw I've seen him make all day.
Across the 35 before he's out of
But I mean,
Well, they're
it's not
unable
going to get him
convert
back in the
that
game.
into much, but it's never a bad idea to try to get the ball into a tight end of his
I should put him on a hard
caliber's
flat.
and see what kind of disruption
Jalen
he can
Smith,
cause.
so I can jump up and get this like deep crosser that he's going to be running.
On second down. Marino.
Or not. He's just going to throw that. That was a bad throw.
Safety Taylor Mays. And into the end zone. It's a pick 6 and a Packer touchdown.
It goes without saying, but
This is a good rebound game after how poorly last game went.
like to have back, and it lands right in the lap of the defender from there. He doesn't have very far to go before he gets to the end zone, and he got there in a hurry.
Extra point by Anderson, up and good. And that will extend this big lead.
Anderson.
So they'll get another shot on offense following that pick 6. And now the kick is away.
If I put Smith on a hard flat, it would have been even better
This will
defense.
make it into the end zone.
Pretty sure he had the drag open,
And ultimately
just
cannot
because of
get
where
this
my
out to the
defense wasn't.
25-yard line as he's dropped at the 23.
23-yard line.
Alright, we'll be coming out. Gun empty. So I think I'm going to try to get this video up, just a new Edgerrin video, and then throughout the week I'm going to be getting up like the videos that I couldn't get up last week due to like schoolwork and stuff.
In this case now, the guy throwing
Oh, good run.
He's got to be like what we talk about with
I
defensive
thought he was
backs
gonna
who
cut
get
back in.
beat for a long touchdown.
So yeah, I think since limited Edgerrin came out today and I got him, I'm gonna try to throw this video up, and then I'll have some older videos from earlier this week with Claypool and probably my greatest money drive I've ever had. Oh, that was my bad. Why wasn't he getting sticky like this before, bro? Like, that doesn't make sense. To me, at least.
15 more yards there and quickly another first down.
Look at that.
Now a toss left side into the hands of his tight end. And he'll go out of bounds right around the 40. 5 yards on the catch there, brings up second down.
A gain of 5 brings up 2nd and 5.
So weird that now he's making like legit reads and stuff.
Here we go again with Marino. He'll find Metcalf.
I need to stop trying to hit stick.
Oh, that's just not fair, and now room to run. And he gets this down inside.
I'm up by too much. Like, that's my problem.
Going out of bounds. 6 yards to pick up, and that's a first down. Still in search.
Literally don't even care if he's getting yards.
Game, but they're on the move. 1st and 10.
Everything's covered, bro. That's a bad
And
pass.
my goodness, another
Field.
interception. Jeremy Chin picks it off.
Oh, I thought I could sword back inside of him. Larry Allen built like that, though. Okay. I want to get Edgerrin the ball a little bit since this will be an Edgerrin video. We'll try to pound the rock.
He understands that not all these picks have been his fault. You know, some of the throws, yes, but there have been a good number of them where he hasn't been helped by his own receivers, and they've turned into interceptions.
I think this is going to toast him.
If he keeps firing, perhaps good things can happen.
It should, at
not
least.
just in this game, but especially in later ones.
He's going to float this over the middle deep.
Yeah. Oh, he didn't score.
20. And he'll be marked down deep on Miami's side of the field. It's a big play that time for the Packers.
I mean, once they start coming out in blitzes, it's basic. Ooh, he has gunslinger. Or whatever it is. Touchdown. Ah! I'm blanking on it, bro. I can't think of his ability. I'm retarded. Retarded.
And this is a blowout so far as we get set for the 4th quarter. A very one-sided affair. They'll try and run for it on 1st and goal.
Dude, I can't think of it.
Taking it in from 4 yards out as his guys continue to put this one out of reach. They seemingly
That's
just
so
continue
unfortunate,
to
bro. I
slow
feel like such an
down.
idiot.
As great as it's been for the offense, you got to feel for that defense down there.
I love how you use the word will.
What is it, bro? I'm gonna have to look at it next time I'm on offense.
But one team has obviously imposed its will
I cannot think of what it is.
broken them. Because what we're seeing right now, wow, that's a defense that's in tatters after what they faced in this ball game.
It's not Gunslinger. What is it, bro? Oh my gosh. I feel so stupid. Y'all make fun of me. Make fun of me. I can't think of what it is.
And let's face it, this drive is not going to have any bearing on this game, but it's kind of important.
It's a run play.
Isn't it?
It certainly is. You got to get points. And okay, all right, I'm being facetious here. But you get points, you feel a little bit better about yourself as you move on to the next one.
Weird. His first touchdown is a run play. That's how bad this kid is. He has to run the ball to score. I guess I was running the ball too, but I had 31 points or something before that. Like, it didn't dictate.
Too little, too late, but no zero. Oh, you're going slow clap on me.
Got that. He's gonna onside kick here.
But they haven't been very nice on offense. It's been a struggle. So still lots of work left to do, but here comes
I'm still blanking on the name of it.
And this one's going to be covered up by the Packers hands team. Now they're down big here in the 4th. They had to try the onside kick.
Bazooka.
No, you can't.
I don't know why that was so tough.
Now you've got something that you're trying to practice, right? That you've worked on, into a game situation, and now you can go back and dissect it. So if you need it again sometime, maybe you'll find a better way to do it. But, yeah, this game's pretty much done for them.
Bazooka!
And this is caught. And he's going to take it in. Touchdown, Packers. So another score there. Often you talk about the
He can throw, I think, like 70 yards. I think.
Teams. It's been a clean sweep in this one, hasn't it?
It certainly has. They've been pretty dominant throughout this game. And privately, the head coach will add a fourth phase. That's the coaching. And he'll tell the ownership that as he tries to negotiate a new contract off of this win.
They are looking strong here in the fourth quarter. Following the touchdown, here's Anderson to kick it away. And this carries into the end zone.
I'm not sure I want to post this game because it was really boring, but I also don't want to put myself through playing another game.
The Dolphins at the line ready for their next drive. And coming off a one-play drive that was so deflating for the defense, what's their mentality? How do
Whatever
they
play
rally
he's going to run right
and
side,
stop this
left side,
Well, hopefully
right
there's some
side,
determination that sets in because
left side.
they weren't ready to go.
Let's go.
Give all the credit
I got run
to these
defense.
guys for getting it done, but to allow a run of
Wait,
that length,
D-line.
just not
D-line
being
spread.
prepared. So now, are they determined? Are they ready to read their keys and make the proper
I need to stop hit sticking.
We'll see how determined they are. And he will take this all the way down to the Packers 33. It's a
Just go
big
this
play
3
there
Sam
for
blitz.
Miami. 48 yards on the ground. So the big
Spread
play
D-line,
changes the
pinch.
complexion
No,
of
hey.
things. Here's 1st and 10 just outside the 30. Now a throw
He
complete
caught
to
that
the
over
fullback out of the
Simmons?
backfield.
That's wild. That should have been a pick
Taking him to
6.
just 4. Second down.
That was a really
One
bad
thing I
throw.
think that's safe to say defensively, the tackling's been really good.
And because of that, it's been very, very hard for them to move the ball because you're not getting the benefits of run after catch. They're tackling them almost on the spot. That means you have to run extra plays, harder to move it.
And he'll be out of
Can I
bounds
get
just
Maze on?
inside the
We'll put
25-yard line.
King.
That catch good for 5.
And I want Maze
It's third
on
down.
there.
On the play. And it's 3rd down.
Yup.
They'll try and run for the first with Bush. And he will be very close to a first down, but I see the closed fist of the referee, and that means 4th down. Give him a yard on the play, and he's definitely short. It'll be 4th down and a few inches. So the Dolphins have it as we welcome you back in. And they're indeed going to go.
This is a run, but I can't stop it. I'm not trying to run commit or anything, but he was on his offensive line. It's oh, he reached for it. I shot that gap like crazy.
As they bring him down at the 23. No reason not to try it there, and they do indeed convert on 4th.
See, finally a nice pass.
At about the 5. And able to get him down, but he does reach the 5. Here's Marino to throw.
Oh, that should have been a pick.
Incomplete. He was trying to go
I played that
back-to-back
insanely
with
well.
it, but it'll be 2nd and goal.
That incompletion is not a surprise with the way that this one has gone, and the frustration of body language is evident everywhere. This team,
It's gonna be a run up the middle probably, or not.
His pass caught at the 4. And he'll be brought down here at the 3-yard line. Only able to pick up 2, and that leads up. And he's across for the touchdown.
Yeah, this one's probably over.
A little too late, but he does get in for 6.
No wonder you're grinning. You just
Hey,
beat
grats,
me
man.
in our fantasy league.
Indeed, I did, my good
Good
man.
scores.
So now the Dolphin offense will stay out there as they'll go for 2.
I'm legit saying good scores. You didn't do anything the whole game, and now you're scoring. Like, that's what's up.
That time as they're able to get him down.
I'm up 45 to 14.
Run, but he won't get in here. He'll be stopped short.
What are my glitches? Explain it, because I don't know.
On the try for 2.
Why you mad? Honestly.
As well now to kick it away after the
What you
touchdown.
mad about, bro? I'm up 45. I definitely know how to play Madden.
Able to take it past the 25 and up to the 20.
My glitches are that I have better route running than your man coverage, so it gets burned. That I picked you off 18 times.
Get their next drive underway. And this game comfortably in hand. The scoreboard speaks for itself.
Ooh, here, I didn't think it would be that dumb.
When do you go to the backup? Let him get some time.
And that's one of the great questions in the NFL, Brandon, because I'm just going to tell you, in the 2015 season, I commentated on 3 games in a row. There were blowouts. And in none of them did the starting quarterback ever come out of the game for the team that had a big lead. And in each
Ooh, that's a glitch.
instance, I
Yup.
asked the coaches later on, why didn't
Good
you do
glitches.
that? And they all looked at me and said, just don't really do that in the NFL. These guys play, and we just play them all the way through. Now, in certain situations, they will take them out, but for the most part, they're not as worried and concerned about getting them out of the game, and that's always puzzled me a little bit.
So the big play changes the complexion of things. Here's 1st and 10 just outside the 30.
That's a glitch. Yup. Ran my receiver where you weren't. Weird glitch, man. Oh. Oh, you want to run it back after you got beat by 40.
That touchdown allows you to start grinning widely on your sideline. I think they pretty much locked
You have
in
14 points, and it came off runs. You can't pass the ball at all. Half your... Oh, I stopped trying after I was down 14-0 from the first 2 possessions. What glitches? I just ran a streak route, and you didn't cover it. It's a touchdown. Explain how that was a glitch. Explain how that was a glitch. It's a wide open streak, and you didn't cover it. How is that a glitch? I have 5 interceptions. He's just mad.
The Dolphins at the line ready for their next drive.
Weird that your only offense was running. You can't make a read to save your life.
What's the message if you're a coach for this final drive in a lopsided game like this?
Weird.
A lot of coaches,
Oh, look at that glitch. Look at that glitch. He ran the ball. He ran the ball. Look at the glitch.
Use that as ammo going
exactly.
forward.
Take a great look at that scoreboard, realize how poorly everything went for us today, coaching, playing, the whole deal, and never forget it.
Bad pass. That's a glitch. That's a glitch. That's a glitch. Oh, it's a glitch. You're so retarded.
CD, this defense, man. At this rate, they're just having fun.
And normally with this type of lead, if you're
No, because it was a bad pass. You led it right to my safety. Hey, so as we saw, that guy was bad. He was mad about glitches or whatever. That was actually pretty funny at the end there. So that's actually going to be a video, because why not? Appreciate y'all for rocking out. There'll be videos that I recorded in the past up throughout the week. I have some exams to do and stuff for my classes. So, yeah, appreciate y'all for rocking out. This one should be up today. So thank you. Have a good day.